Cheers. Cheers, Joanne. Laura, where are you? You have one? You don't drink, right? Or in the church, okay.
Drinking that church.
Okay, I'm at the pool. See that the pool right there? Behind me. And I got a green drink. Here guys, I'm at the Orlando, Florida, right? Vacation. Here the tropical drink. How beautiful is that? Oh my god. Hold on. Not yet. Here.มาเด้อมากินเหล้าน้ำกันอยู่เมืองหอนเด้อพี่น้องเด้อ เห็นบอกเป็นกระแสคนนี้อันนี้ tropical drink อันนี้เป็นเชอร์รี่
Got glitz.
เชอร์รี่เห็นบอกมีหมากใหม่ครับ Make the drink look so good
Right in the sun, man. That's messed up.
I know oh good
No, I mean, it's okay. It's all right. Yeah, it's not bad.
เมืองอันนั้นเมือง vacation พักผ่อนเมืองหอนเด้อพี่น้องเห็นบอก beautiful งามบget palm tree มาต้นอันนี้ I don't palm tree is not coconut right this is not coconut tree palm tree it's not coconut yeah it's a palm right
Man, that's different. I never seen this. They got like
yeah it's very hot hot
yeah, they
Yeah,
like
the ones in California, and the ones in like South Carolina are even shorter. Have you
Here,
noticed?
come on hey come on how are you
For the beach.
are you hot are you good you good the end again we on vacation yeah เมืองเป็นเมืองหอนเมืองคนมาพักผ่อนสไลด์แล้วก็คนไทยคนจะถือว่ามาอยู่ตรงนั้นผมโค้งที่ขึ้นเมืองมาอยู่นี่
Stay with him for 10 minutes then.
Like
Florida,
style.
we came to Florida to like go swimming, have fun, and stay right?
Everything good?
Wow, we have a lot of fun. I'm with my family. Yeah, with ครอบครัว my in-law, my daughter-in-law, my grandkids, and me and myself, and then ท่านสามีไว้ที่บนหันไว้เฮีย
I always wondered, what is it called when you're both mother-in-laws, and how you say,
I never go to the cruise. I want to go to the cruise.
cruise. Lately, they've had some horrible cruises where you feel like people get stuck on the ship and all that, but it's always had nice fun. So I think I've always
It'd be cool to take one out of
I said, baby. Yeah, you sound like a baby. Are you sound like a baby?
touch like a man.
Oh, give me a hug right here. Come this way. Oh, I love you. Come on.
Karma,
I love you.
talk
That's my
like
baby.
this.
My grandson.
Hello.
My handsome grandbaby. Yes.
Touch like a deep voice.
Call him.
Hi, my name's Karma.
Yeah, just like a Terminator. My name is Terminator. Oh, this is a good
Good, good.
This is a good drink. This is first time ever in my life have a good drink. I tell you. This is, I have to say, this is America, right? Yes, America they make too much sugar, right? But we go to Bahamas, they make good just like that, huh? I've been to Bahamas, but the drink they make is so good. But I ordered Bahama Mama, and they're so good. You take one drink, butterfly, you know, like butterfly in your eyes, and you don't need second with the one drink is good.
When I went to Bermuda, not Bermuda, Bahamas, Barry and I go to a bar, and she puts a bottle in front of us,
Mhm.
and she goes, pour your own. So Barry was like, you don't know me, do you?
My goodness. Yeah, this is the best drink so far in America. อันนี้นะเป็นตัวนี้นะแบบแซ่บหลายเด้อเพราะว่ามันเป็นเหมือนแบบน้ำหมักไหม้ แซ่บมันบหวานหลังคนหมักพี่น้องจะเอาแนะนำครอบครัว
Python snake in there.
vacation เด้อมื้อ
Fish
นี้
tank.
อยู่แวนโดฟลอริดามื้อ
Which
นี้
was down in the basement
เป็นมื้อ
where I
ที่แรก
was
เขา
at.
มาฮอด
Before,
คืนนี้
you know what I'm saying?
แล้วก็พาลูกหลาน
And
มา
make a long story short,
มาสวิมมิ่งมา
they would get
อาบ
out
น้
sometime.
ำแล้วก็
And if they get out, it might take like a week
ส
or
บาย
so
ดีบ่
before you
น้อง
can find them because they got
บ่
so
ทุก
many
คนสิ
hiding
ติดตาม
places
ไว้
that they
ผู้
can
บ่
go
ติดตาม
there.
ก็บ่เป็นหยังเด้อ
I mean, I would find them in the couch like a music. I mean, so I said, you know what? Either I'm gonna have to leave or I'm gonna have to become friends with these snakes. And so, you know, it ended up I used to carry the snakes. I used to play with them, have them on my neck, and just do the whole nine. And just got used to them. So I said, you know, look, I said, snake, look, I gotta live here down here with you.
มื้อนี้เป็น
You know, either I need this
Today
place to stay
Sunday I
right
am
now. You know what I'm saying?
Randall Florida จะพาไปเที่ยวร้านของน้ำมันพี่น้องเด้อ
I like
พา
other
ไปเที่ยว
reptiles.
So, I'm gonna show you something. I'll show you something I took 2 weeks ago. See that? I'll show you.
where you took it อันนี้แม่ของลูกไผ่
That's what I found.
cherry แซ่บ
Hey, Terminator. This is good too. Make good drink too.
Is it the kind of test you?
You know, I gave her a $20 tip. So
$20
that's
tip.
why you guys see the guy on our tab.
$20 tip. Wow.
That's see my kid love it. Love her drink.
That's why I told Oda we should get 2 more here because she likes us. We gave her good tip.
Yeah, you know people like that. เห็นบ่เห็นบ่เมืองหอนงามบ่มีต้นตาลต้นตาลข่อยว่ามันต้นตาลอันนี้เป็นรีสอร์ทให้พี่น้องเด้อมีต้นข้าวมันเป็นต้นข้าวคือบ้านเฮาบ่คืออยู่เมืองลาวบ่ต้นข้าวมันนี่ฮ้อนขนาดเลยฮ้อน
Hey. Come on.
Here, huh?
Yeah.
Beautiful vacation place. You know, I feel I'm at Bahamas, to be honest with you right now. Because they make a good drink the day I want it. You a
What
little,
I'm saying, you have
a
to
little
travel so
bit.
far to get a good drink.
Yeah, that's crazy. You know, they should do it where we at, you know, stuff like that. And put the glass, just a beautiful glass like this. Why do you do this? Everything they like, go. They don't have no time to be like, to make things like, make feel like a like tropical or vacation. They don't cannot do stuff like that for you. Poor, this for you, buddy. This for you, okay? I miss you. You cannot make it. Ting too. I miss you too. Okay, Ting. You and Guy, Poor and Ting. You guys miss this drink. This is the best drink. I drink for you, okay? For Hua, Ting, and Guy. For you. Okay guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe because I have come up more and more. Right now, I'm at Orlando, Florida. I come up more. Follow me. I'm gonna show you how to vacation of your life, how to enjoy yourself, how come follow me. I will show you. Okay, just cheer. One last cheer. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, thumbs up, subscribe, and more video come up. You don't miss. Okay. See you guys later. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah. See you. Bye.